Hi, this is Heather Schaus with the Pampered Chef. Today I'm going to talk to you about our cold brew pitcher. If you like coffee, but you don't like the acidity that's in brewed coffee, the cold brew is actually much healthier for us. And I wanted to show everybody just because it's really simple to do and my family loves it. We are making coffee all the time. So this is the cold brew pitcher. I always like to talk about it. Kind of looks like a little sweater or a little jacket on it. This is just to keep it when you put it in the fridge. It gets a little bit cold, so with the glass you don't want it to slip out of your hands, so it's silicone, so it's easier to hold on to. Then I'm going to use, this is our 2-quart quick stir pitcher. We love to make lemonade, fresh squeezed lemonade in here. So with your cold brew pitcher, you're going to take out, and I'm going to show you how to refill this. We've let our coffee steep for 24 to 48 hours. You can even let it go a little bit longer. The longer it sets, the stronger it gets. We're going to pour that into our pitcher. This is going to drain a little bit more of the coffee out, so I'm just going to let it sit in there while we're getting our other items ready. My son, my oldest one, loves the Starbucks coffee, so I always call it kind of like our foo-foo coffee or a frappuccino. So I'm going to show you how we do that. You could drink your coffee just like this, or you could add different creamers into it. But we're going to add 1 can of evaporated milk and 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. This is our smooth edge can opener. You set it on the top and you go all the way around. You won't have to worry about it hurting your spatulas cutting into them. You either hear it click or you feel it get loose. You turn it backwards, take the teeth, and you just pull it straight up. So we're going to add 1 can of evaporated milk into our coffee, and you could actually serve it just like that. And then we're going to do a can of sweetened condensed milk, and we're going to do the same thing with our can opener. Now there's a little side on the can opener, and a lot of people don't know what this part is for. Some of your fruit cans have the pop-up tabs, so you can actually use that to pull that up so you don't have to break a fingernail or try to put something else underneath it. This is our skinny scraper. I'm just scraping the excess condensed milk in here. And then we're just going to take our plunger and we're just going to mix it all together. My husband likes to serve it over ice. My children just drink it like this, so you can really do it however you want. And it lasts in your refrigerator pretty well if you can keep it in there long enough. My family tends to go through it every couple of days. Put our top on, and then you have on your pitcher, there's a strain, and then there's a lock, so I'll lock it. And then you just plunge it. You can see it's just mixing it together. So I'm going to dump the little bit of extra coffee that we had in here. And then, excuse me for 1 second, I'm going to dump this coffee out. And then we put our strainer piece back on the bottom. Put that into our pitcher. And then you can determine how much coffee you want to put in here. I usually do a cup. If you want it stronger, put a little bit more. If you don't want it quite as strong, you can put a little bit less. And then you just add your water. And it'll take just a couple minutes to add your water because you'll pour your water in and then it'll just seep down. So I'll fill my water till it comes up to about right here. And then you just put your lid on. You can either set it on your counter or let it steep for 24 to 48 hours. And then you can make your coffee. If you like this, please like my video.